They minted a lot of this. I think 99 million. I think, but I rarely see them in online sellings or sellers. Uh, I don't know. They rarely sold these coins. Don't know why. Hello everyone. Welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. We have another unboxing to do. So just make it quick and easy, so you wouldn't be bored too much. Okay, this is see the nice stamps, right? So see what they are. Okay, here we go. Nicely wrapped, very nicely wrapped. It's very hard to open. Okay, salute to Sharich. They're the ones who selling me lovely coins, and I've been buying coins from them for a long time now. I bought a lot of interesting stuff in their online store, and these are a few of them. Some are offered to me below the price that they want, so you can make an offer. How much are you willing to pay? And if they agree, they will agree. If they don't agree, they will counter offer. So it's a win-win. You don't have to pay something you don't want to pay. This you can offer them how much you will pay, and if they agree, they will. Mostly they agree. So okay. All right, so we go with this one first. This is a silver coin. Here we go. It's a bit par. I'm too focused on the coins. I don't see it on the camera. So this one is a silver coin, and this one it is from Spain. It is, here we go. You can see. This is from Spain. It is from the reign of King Alfonso the 12th from 1883. A silver coin. I like old coins, and of course, especially if it's silver, and the value is 1 peseta. So you can see, very nice old coin. Nice old coin, and it's silver, so it have a good value. Always have a good value if it's silver, right? And these ones are together when I bought it. It's a commemorative coin, and they have the same value, 1 ruble, and it is like I said, it's a commemorative coin from Russia. So these are all poured together, as you can see. So these are coins of Vladimir Lenin from 1870. So it depicts Vladimir Lenin's birthday. He's 100 years old in 1970. Here we go. And as we can see, the coat of arms of the Soviet Union, Socialist Republic, or USSR, and the value is 1 ruble. Nice one. See the edge? The edge have stars and dots. So it is a special commemorative coin. Vladimir Lenin, 100 years old. Here we go. Nice one. They all have a good grade. They minted a lot of this. I think 99 million. I think, but I rarely see them in online online sellings or sellers. I don't know, they rarely sold these coins. Don't know why. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, just a quick unboxing. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.